Cut the foam seal B with adhesive backing to the proper length and attach it to your window. Take the window panel, the one with a hole in it, with the smooth side facing towards you, and attach the insect guard. It should just snap right into place. Optionally, you can attach the rain guard to the insect guard to prevent rainwater from leaking into the hose. The exhaust cover should be pre-installed when you receive the window panel, but if it fell out during installation, slide it into the grooves on the window panel. The window installation kit comes with 3 expandable panels to adjust to your exact window size. In this video, the window is less than 28 inches long. To use the fixed clip and mounting plate to quickly adjust the window panel length, insert the fixed clip into the hole on the window panel and slide the other end of the clip into the groove on the adjacent adjustment panel. Use the mounting plate to tighten it into place so it doesn't move. Take some of the foam seal A and use it to fill the gap between the sliding window. This may look a little different if you have horizontal sliding windows, but the same idea applies. Optionally, you can install the window bracket to the window frame with a screw in order to prevent the window from opening. Extend the end of the hose and twist the rear clip onto the hose. Do the same thing on the other end of the exhaust hose for the joint to the window panel. Twist the joint counterclockwise into the groove on the back of the unit. Attach the clip to the window panel by snapping it into place. You may have to finagle the window panel around a little bit to secure it back into place, and you may have to readjust your foam on the edges of the window panel to make sure that there is a tight seal. You can set the hook into place on the unit and then insert the screw into the hole, or it was a little bit easier to insert the screw into the hook first and then screw it into place on the unit. There are 2 ways to drain the unit of water. There is a black rubber plug on the bottom of the unit that, once opened, will cause excess water to drain out. Twist open the continuous drainage cap on the back of the unit and remove the rubber plug from the spout. Twist on and attach the drainage cap to the drainage spout. Insert the drainage hose into the drain connector and excess water will drain out of here. Because the continuous drain is gravity fed, it is important that the hose be sloped downwards, otherwise it will not work and may cause a malfunction. To access the filter, gently pry open the tab on the back of the unit. Slide the black filter out of the side of the filter cover. After washing and drying the filter, you can repeat this step in reverse to slide the filter back into place and then snap the filter cover back onto the unit.